Hello, I'm Mike Griffiths, Retigo UK Technical Manager, and today I'm going to demonstrate how we realign the oven door. I get asked this question a lot. We go to a few ovens where the door's leaking. It's a 2-second fix, and we're going to show you exactly how we do it. As you can see, the door's off at the moment. I'm just going to put that on, and we're going to show you the alignment process and how to get the oven to, or the door to seal exactly against this door seal. We've got a 45 kilo door here, so take care when you're lifting. This top hinge, I've had this hinge off and it's finger tight, only finger tight up the top there. I've not tightened it up at all. So here we go, let's get this put back together. So we have to engage the bush into the top hinge, and we will start by putting the top screw in just to hold it in place, and we'll shut the door. Okay, as you can see guys, this doesn't look right, does it? We're not level at the top. This line disappears and we're actually touching the steelwork at the top. That's not good. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the door level. We need to get this line even, and we need to get this level across the top. Now what I do, a little trick that I've learned over the years, is if we lift the door and close the door again, we get it pretty much somewhere near. Now remember, I'm only finger tight on these 3 bolts here. Well, that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. So with the 3 top bolts, because I'm quite happy with that, I'm going to nip these up on the top. Let's get them nice and tight. Like this. So what you've got effectively, your 3 bolts on the top are actually taking control of my alignment. Now I've got that nipped up nice and tight. Now the next thing, this is the most important piece. This is the door hinge pin. Engineers don't quite know where to set this, and it's really a simple process. Our door has a cam feature underneath, so it gets to a certain point and the door either wants to hold itself open or it wants to close itself. So in this position where it wants to naturally close itself, and bear in mind we didn't touch the bottom hinge, we didn't adjust that at all. But if we look down the side here, you will see that the glass is touching the door seal at this point. And all we need to do with this is match the pressure. And when I say match the pressure, I don't mean we need to hang off this and really squeeze it against the door seal. We literally, it's just touching at the bottom. So all we're going to do, we're going to push it towards and we're going to nip it up. And that is all you need to do. There's nothing more to it. So we can just check that now. And when I open the door, I can see daylight. As I close the door, the glass touches the seal exactly the same time and the same pressure, top and bottom, and that is how you do it.